कार्यक्रम को और आगे ले चलते हुए इस कार्यक्रम की अगली कड़ी में और अंतिम कड़ी में मैं फलक को आवाज देता हूं वोट ऑफ थैंक्स के लिए। फलक।
Good evening, everyone. As we come to the end of our 31st Foundation Day celebration, I feel immense pride and gratitude as I stand here before you. This has been a remarkable occasion, and it would not have been possible without the support and contribution of so many individuals. First, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our distinguished guests for gracing us with their presence today. Your valuable time and continued support are deeply appreciated. To our respected faculty members, staff and students, you committed, dedicated and enthusiastic have always been the pillars of our institution success. We are truly grateful for your unwavering support over the years, and the function do stand as a testament to our collective growth. A huge thank you to the organized communities and all the Rumenters who have worked diligently to make this event a success. You behind the scenes effort have not gone unnoticed, and we appreciate everything you have done. Finally, to the students, both present and past, you are the best. You are the head and soul of this institution. We celebrate not just our history, but also your achievement and aspiration. Together, we will continue to build on this legacy. Now, as we bring this event to a close, invite our guests, faculty and students to join us for a dinner that has been especially arranged. Now make your way to the dining area and let's continue to celebrate this milestone with good food, great conversation and wonderful company. Once again, thank you all for making our 31st Foundation Day a truly memorable occasion, enjoying the evening, and here's to many more years of success and growth. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.